Hey everyone, my name is Glen Redman, and for my VDL project, I want to start actually influencing how our society is going about technology, especially right now with our water filtration. Now, as a lot of you know, I'm sure everyone on here knows, extreme weather phenomena are happening all over the planet, and it's really impacting a lot of communities' ability to access clean water. And especially as someone who lives in Arizona, where even the minor plant life around me would be considered excessive, I believe that new techniques could be applied and would really be accepted well by everyone. So for this project, my end goal is going to be creating an actual piece of technology, a water filter that could be used to clean out specific materials. I haven't quite gone to the details of what I'll be creating on that end, what materials I'll be focusing on. And for this stage in the BDL process, I'm focusing more on a workshop, okay? My audience will be the scientists, industrial professionals, city management, architects, people who would actually know about the what's going on with water filters and could see rooms for improvement. Now that would actually be step 3 of my program. For steps 1 and 2, it's going to be mostly information gathering. I've already started looking into the major ecological impacts of our current methods and the weaknesses and challenges that are being seen with it. My next step will be going into a deep dive for the organisms that actually can filter out materials from fluids and studying how they do that. My plan is that I'm going to be bringing that information to my workshop in stage 3, where I'll be finding out, again, what areas they see to improve, showing them how nature can actually go about and possibly improve those different avenues, and brainstorming ways that we could apply in the water water systems these days. To that end, after going through the workshop, I'm going to be going through a strong review of how the different main ideas stack up with the LP checklists, and I'm actually going to be consulting with architects as well that I already know about what it would take to implement some of these ideas. My end step that I see it will actually be drafting up a proposal to submit to a company, pointing out this is possible and it can actually be implemented with big benefits. There are a couple of reasons that I'd be going for it, especially that I'm interested in design work, and I'd actually love to work at a company that works with water filters, water systems, and actually improving it. But as a whole, my main goal for this is changing how we're approaching water filters to induce a paradigm shift. Rather than just taking everything from water and essentially throwing it to the landfill, because there's only a small portion of our water waste that goes to like farms and is used as biological material, the rest of it's just thrown away. And if we could actually shift that so that our water is being cleaned, and though what's being cleaned from it is being used in other ways, or it's being sequestered so it's not contaminating entire regions, it would change a lot of our society for the better, especially when you hear about situations where people's water is literally turning on fire because of the because of chemical drain off from actual fracking. That, fortunately, in Arizona isn't too big of a problem, but we already have big problems with, I want to say it's phosphorus and cadmium. Don't quote me on those materials that are really high in our water supply. And if we could remove it on a regular basis, or give people a way to actually remove it themselves, then people's quality of life here in the region itself would go up significantly. Now, I'm looking both at something that is portable, something that people could use on a regular basis. I am also wondering what's out there for a larger scale implementation. There's quite a bit of red tape that would go for the larger one, but I'm keeping my eyes open. I'd love to hear what you guys think about this. But yeah, right now my grouping preferences really are more in the social bug or the lone wolf. I see myself doing a lot of this project solo, so polar bear might apply to it, but I do want to work with people on the bio brainstorm and helping each other stay motivated. I can organize pretty well, but keep myself on track throughout. That gets difficult. I look forward to working with all of you, seeing how you're all doing, and learning from everyone. Let me know what you guys think of this video, my idea, and if you have anything, any constructive criticism, please don't hesitate to share it. Talk to you all, everyone. Take care.